Quarter 1, week 7, change in solid materials when they are hammered. A hammer is a tool that consists of heavy piece of metal at the end of a handle. It is used, for example, to hit nails into piece of wood or a wall, or to break things into pieces. Solid materials can be hammered, and now I'm going to do an experiment. Materials needed: 1 piece of blank wood, empty tin can, plastic bottle, lollipop, cookies, and hammer. I'm going to hammer all of this material. First, wood. May change their size and shape, and even texture. Still, no new material is firm because only the physical appearance of the material is changed.